In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Zoho Vault works. Once you're inside Zoho Vault, you'll immediately notice the menu on the left side of your screen. This menu is your gateway to efficiently managing your passwords and keeping your digital life organized and secure. Let's take a closer look at some of the key sections and understand how each can help you. First on the list, we have passwords. Here, you can view, add, and manage all of your stored credentials. Think of it as your personal vault, where every username and password you have is secured and easily accessible. You have the capability to search for specific entries, which is a huge time saver when managing multiple accounts. You can also organize these passwords according to your needs, ensuring that your login details are not only safe, but also neatly categorized. Next up are folders. Folders are a fantastic feature that allows you to group related accounts together for even better organization. This means you can create dedicated folders for, say, your social media accounts, work-related tools, and personal apps, just to name a few examples. This way, you can quickly access groups of related passwords without having to sift through everything manually. Now, let's talk about apps. This section is particularly useful for integrating your saved credentials directly with applications. The benefit here is clear. It simplifies the login process by allowing you to log in directly without the hassle of typing or even copying and pasting passwords each time. It's streamlined efficiency at its best. Following that, we have audit reports. In this section, you'll find detailed reports that give you insights into how your vault is being used. You can see password activity, sharing history, and any user actions that have occurred. Such detailed tracking is crucial for maintaining security and accountability, providing peace of mind that your passwords are being managed responsibly. Finally, we come to the Settings menu. This is your control center for configuring various aspects of your account. Here, you can update your security preferences and manage advanced options, such as two-factor authentication, to add an extra layer of security. You can also adjust integration settings to tailor Zoho Vault to your personal or organizational needs. And there you have it, a quick but comprehensive overview of the Zoho Vault dashboard. With these options neatly organized in the left menu, you have everything you need to manage, organize, and monitor all of your passwords in a secure, centralized location. Zoho Vault is designed to make your life less stressful by ensuring that all your passwords are just a click away, while also maintaining the utmost security for your digital information.